Yes, you heard that right. Freelancers can earn 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. Some situation you can also earn 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees per month. It completely depends on your skills. Now many people might have this question, who is a freelancer? Freelancer is a person, an individual person who is providing his services to other people. Other people can be an individual, other people can be a business. So this freelancer, when he is providing services to other, that person will be called as a freelancer. The person who is providing services, that services or that activity or that work is called as freelancing. Now, many people might have this question also. What is freelancing? What kind of services we provide? Now in freelancing, you will be providing services based on a particular or any skill. I'll give you one example. You might be good in Excel, working on MS Excel. Now you might work on huge data or very big Excel sheet. You can do VLOOKUPs, you can do HLOOKUPs, you can do you can create many different good, meaningful or insightful reports also on MS Office or MS Excel. Now there will be many companies, many businesses who have huge data, but they can't understand or they can't filter out the important information from that huge data that is present in an Excel sheet. Those kind of companies might be searching for individual freelancers who can filter out that data and create beautiful reports. Now these kind of companies will be searching for freelancers. Many people, you don't know, companies also hire freelancer. Now if you contact these kind of companies and if you can tell to them that, yes sir, I can complete your task, I will do your work, give me 5,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees for this task, I can complete the task within this time, 1 week or 10 days or 1 day or 2 days. It completely depends on you. Now if you can speak to that kind of businesses will be happy to pay you that also, and because they are getting benefited by your services, right? So you can earn some money, at the same time businesses also are getting help with your skills. This kind of skills when you provide to other individuals or businesses, that skills or that kind of activity is called as freelancing, right? Now I'll give you another example. Many of you might know about a mobile app or a web application called Canva. Canva is a mobile app or web application where you can create beautiful logos for free. Also you can create. Canva also has an option where you can create beautiful images. You can also video edit on Canva. Now understand, there are many people in the market who want to start their own business. Now business owners, they usually struggle with logo designings. How can I get a logo? Where can I get a logo? Many people will be thinking in that way. You have to find out that kind of business owners and you have to tell them that I can design a logo for you. I will provide you 4 logos. Pay me 5,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees or 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. Businesses will be happy to pay you because they don't know how to create a logo for their brand or their business, and you know. So your skill, you are giving them, in return you are taking money from them. So this is freelancing, right? Canva logos can be created within half an hour or maximum 1 hour. So within half an hour only and 1 hour only, if you earn that 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees, that is a win-win situation for you, right? So this is how freelancing work. Freelancing is a very lucrative opportunity or work. Even working professionals, people who are working in IT companies, people who are working in BPOs or call centers or non-IT job, even Swiggy and Zomato delivery partners can also become a freelancer. Okay, for freelancing, only thing is you should have a skill. On the basis of the skill only, you will be providing the services to other people, individual or business. I'll tell you one example. Many people learn Java. Right? Java. Now in Java also you can create a website. In .NET also you can create a website. Now there are many business owners in the market who start their business. Same like logo, many business owners also want a website to be created for their business or for their brand. Now they don't know how to create a website. If you know Java, or if some business needs a mobile application or e-commerce website and you know that how to create that application or that mobile app, you can talk to them and you can tell them that, yes sir, I'm here, I can help you with a mobile app development or I can help you with the e-commerce development. On the basis of both of your conversation, you can you can offer or you can put a price to your services. For example, one mobile application you can charge 20,000 rupees. Very simple Android mobile application you can charge 20,000 rupees. For a very simple e-commerce website you can charge 25,000 rupees per month, or for the task, right? Now imagine if you are doing 2 e-commerce site in 1 month, one project, and after that another project also, 25,000. How much are you earning? 50,000 rupees per month. This 50,000 rupees per month is an extra cost, extra earning that you are gaining or you are earning apart from your salary, right? So this is how freelancing works. Now I will share you my journey. From 2012, when I was already working, I started freelancing. I started creating small websites. I started doing social media marketing. I started doing SEO for businesses. And from 2012 to 2014, I was already working. When we used to come back from office at 8 o'clock or 8:30 p.m. in the night. Then after having dinner, then I used to start working on my freelancing projects. So I was working full time in office job also, and I was doing freelancing also. From 10 o'clock, I used to work like sometimes 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. depending on the task, depending on the number of projects. When my freelancing earnings became more than my salary, that is when I decided that I have to put full-time efforts to my freelancing career, and with proper resignation formalities, I quit my job. I served 1 month of notice period and then I quit my job. From 2014, I started my freelancing career, and after 1 year of doing freelancing, then I started my full-time office or full-time business. 1 year I did freelancing, sitting at home, earning good amount of money. I used to have a freelancer team also. I used to get the projects and give the projects to my freelancing team. That is how, along with me, my team also has earned a very good revenue, I can say. And from 2015, I started my own company only. So freelancer or freelancing is the first step that you can choose to become a business owner also. I would definitely recommend freelancing to all the working professionals, because we can't depend on jobs, right? Jobs today, we have job, tomorrow what will be the situation, nobody can tell. Our boss can remove us, layoff can happen, or anything can happen with our career. We can't depend completely on the career because we have family responsibilities and credit cards and loans and all those stuff also, right? So freelancing will be a very good financial backup plan for you. Now, many of you might have this question that, okay, freelancing, I got an idea and I want to do freelancing also, but I don't have any skills that I can provide to an individual or a business. For all of you, I have a plan here. In my training institute or in my training company, that is Career 9, you can see here. Now in my training company, Career 9, we teach how to develop skills, IT skills, and we also help in freelancing project, in getting freelancing project. Now, freelancing projects you can usually get from LinkedIn also. LinkedIn has a very good opportunity. You can get multiple freelancing project from them. But after getting freelancing project, speaking to the client, negotiating the pricing, there are many things that has to be taken care of. All these things will be taught in our training institute, in our training programs. If you want to learn freelancing, if you want to learn a skill that you can use for your freelancing career, then you should definitely contact us. How will you contact? There is a phone number mentioned here. Call to this phone number or visit our website www.career9.com and enter your details. There will be a form on the website. Enter your details. Our team will call you and explain you all the details about the freelancing training program that we have specifically designed for you. And this training program will be a live training program. This training program will be a live training program, and you will learn lot of things, skills, AI, generative AI, and how to do freelancing as well. So that's it about this video. My name is Sushmita Madhu. If you have any questions about freelancing, if you want to become a freelancer, comment your question in the comment section of this video, and I will be happy to answer you. Thank you so much. All the best. Namaste.